Oh, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. Today's video finna be like super short. One, I'm in the garage and it's cold, but I ordered my wheels for Pony Boy, which is the rear wheels. I'm finna unbox these, man, so y'all can see what they look like, just like I'm about to see what they look like. But it is I went with the Jegs. That's the part number. It's a 15 by 10. The bolt pattern 4.5. Back spacing 6.5. It's the SSR start wheel. So let's open this up, man. Nice, real quick. Cut that. Cut that. They give you a well, I just found out that I'm guessing Jegs is vision wheels, because that's what it says. So I guess if you order a vision wheel, you got a Jeg wheel, you got a Jeg wheel, you got a vision wheel. Boxing. Put your cover over it. Okay. Take that off. They put a bonnet on there. That is the wheel, man. Look at the lip. Nice lip. Okay. They machine and pull it out. Not really heavy. Not like I thought it would be. Put it off. Okay. I'm gonna set the wheel down right there real quick. In here, the center cap. I guess where the center cap goes is, oh wait a minute, lift it up just a little bit, then I can do this. That's how the center cap will be, but I don't think I'm gonna use the center cap, man, because the Strange ring has the Strange logo, and I think I'm gonna just put it like that to run it that way at least. But that is the wheel, man. I gotta order the fronts. Main focus right now. I got the wheels. I'm gonna order the tires. Oh, I guess I gotta get some stems too. I just noticed that it does not come with stems in there. Get the rim put in. I need to order. Look, my Thanksgiving goal was to get the rim completed. Got it completed. Now, before mid-February, I plan on having the rim back here, coilovers, control arms, wheels and tires on it. So, look who has arrived. First time I done never seen him bundled up. He gonna go in the house and get naked. But that's just his thing to do. Okay. Come on, baby, get it together. Hey. The box want to be a little irritating. I'll put it back in there all nice in a minute. Right now, I'm just putting it in there. That is the wheel, man. So if y'all want to get the wheel, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna order. I'm gonna put it on radials. I've been looking. Jegs also have those for two something, but I might not order from them. I think I'm gonna go to Summit to get those, because that's literally right up the freeway and it's here, it's local. I ain't gotta wait on no shipping. So, but yeah, that's it, man. Other than that, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video. It's short, yes, I know. It's just to show y'all what the wheels look like. Anybody who searched the wheel, you know, hopefully my video pop up so you can see what it looks like. And then subscribe to the channel so y'all can keep update with the car. I plan on doing a lot while it's cold, since I'm not able to go outside and do anything. I just do a lot here in the garage, knock it out. Me, Pops, my cousin, we'll get it done. He just got his car back too, which y'all seen in the last video that I posted. He has a few more things he got to get done, and he has a deadline that he's trying to make, which I think he's gonna make it. There's definitely no doubt about that. Front end of the car still look the same, man. I should have ordered the tubular front end when I said I was gonna order, because now it has went up. I found the motor mounts that'll fit this K member for the LS, so we'll get that done, man. Oh, and I also got a Jeg welder. The only reason why I have this welder is to order exhaust on the project that I bought. It's another project that we have coming to the channel. I haven't showed you guys that yet. I got a video coming for that, but that project caused me to buy this welder because I need it so I can weld something so I can get the truck up. It's a truck.
No shit.
So I can get the truck back together. Other than that, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Peace.